The question is, what is the primary purpose of nutrition in living organisms? Answer: energy production. The question is, what process do plants use to synthesize their own food? Answer: photosynthesis. The question is, which pigment captures light energy for photosynthesis? Answer: chlorophyll. The question is, what is the main storage carbohydrate in plants? Answer: starch. The question is, what is the common storage form of food in animals? Answer: glycogen. The question is, which term describes organisms that obtain food from other organisms? Answer: heterotrophic. The question is, which type of heterotrophic nutrition involves feeding on dead and decaying matter? Answer: saprophytic. The question is, which organism is an example of parasitic nutrition? Answer: cuscuta. The question is, which part of the human digestive system is the main site of nutrient absorption? Answer: small intestine. The question is, what structure increases the surface area for absorption in the small intestine? Answer: villi. The question is, what is the first step in urine formation in the kidney? Answer: glomerular filtration. The question is, which substance emulsifies fats to aid digestion in the small intestine? Answer: bile. The question is, which enzyme in saliva begins the digestion of starch? Answer: amylase. The question is, what is the role of hydrochloric acid in the stomach? Answer: provide acidic medium. The question is, what process describes the removal of metabolic wastes from the body? Answer: excretion. The question is, which organ stores and concentrates bile before releasing it into the small intestine? Answer: gallbladder. The question is, what is the common end product of glycolysis that enters aerobic or anaerobic pathways? Answer: pyruvate. The question is, which type of respiration produces lactic acid in animals? Answer: anaerobic. The question is, what is the main function of the large intestine? Answer: water reabsorption. The question is, who controls the voluntary release of urine from the bladder? Answer: external urethral sphincter. The question is, which three parts make up the small intestine? Answer: duodenum, jejunum, ileum. The question is, what is the primary function of the duodenum? Answer: major chemical digestion. The question is, what increases the absorptive surface area of the small intestine? Answer: both villi and microvilli. The question is, what is the main role of bile in digestion? Answer: emulsify fats. The question is, which enzymes are secreted by the pancreas to digest food? Answer: amylase, lipase, trypsin. The question is, what is absorbed mainly in the jejunum? Answer: digested nutrients. The question is, what is the primary function of the large intestine? Answer: absorb water. The question is, which components form the large intestine? Answer: succum, colon, rectum. The question is, what is the role of intestinal gland scripts of Lieberkühn? Answer: secrete intestinal enzymes. The question is, which enzyme completes carbohydrate digestion in the small intestine? Answer: maltase. The question is, what is the function of the gastric glands in the stomach? Answer: secrete gastric juice. The question is, what protects the stomach lining from acidic gastric juice? Answer: mucus. The question is, what causes tooth decay by lowering mouth fur? Answer: bacterial acids. The question is, what is the immediate product of glycolysis that enters respiration pathways? Answer: pyruvate. The question is, what is produced in animal anaerobic respiration? Answer: lactic acid. The question is, what are the end products of aerobic respiration? Answer: CO2, H2O, energy. The question is, which organ filters blood to form urine? Answer: kidney. The question is, what is the first step in urine formation in the nephron? Answer: glomerular filtration. The question is, which substances are selectively reabsorbed into blood from kidney tubules? Answer: glucose, amino acids, salts, water. The question is, what is the role of tubular secretion in the kidney? Answer: secrete additional wastes and icons. The question is, what is the primary function of the ileum in the small intestine? Answer: completion of absorption. The question is, which part of the nephron directly receives the glomerular filtrate? Answer: Bowman's capsule. The question is, what is the mere role of microvilli on intestinal epithelial cells? Answer: increase surface area for absorption. The question is, which substance is primarily responsible for neutralizing acidic chyme entering the duodenum? Answer: pancreatic bicarbonate. The question is, what gas is produced as a waste product during aerobic respiration? Answer: carbon dioxide. The question is, who controls the voluntary release of urine from the urinary bladder? Answer: external urethral sphincter. The question is, what is the immediate fate of amino acids after they are absorbed from the small intestine? Answer: transported to the liver via blood. The question is, which enzyme is secreted by the stomach to begin protein digestion? Answer: pepsin. The question is, what is the function of bile in fat digestion? Answer: emulsify fats into droplets. The question is, which organ stores glycogen as the mere animal carbohydrate reserve? Answer: liver. The question is, what is the primary function of the duodenum? Answer: receive secretions for chemical digestion. The question is, which cells in the stomach secrete hydrochloric acid? Answer: parietal cells. The question is, what is the role of salivary amylase in the mouth? Answer: begin starch digestion. The question is, which structure connects the kidney to the urinary bladder? Answer: ureter. The question is, what is the mere function of the hepatic portal vein? Answer: transport nutrients from intestine to liver. The question is, which process in the nephron conserves glucose and amino acids? Answer: selective reabsorption. The question is, what substance in gastric juice activates pepsinogen 2-pepsin? Answer: hydrochloric acid. The question is, which vitamin requires intrinsic factor for absorption in the ileum? Answer: vitamin. The question is, what is the mere function of the colon in digestion? Answer: absorb water and electrolytes. The question is which organ produces most of the digestive enzymes released into the small intestine? Answer: pancreas. The question is what is the significance of villi and microvilli in the small intestine? Answer: increase surface area for absorption. The question is which molecule is the direct substrate for the Krebs cycle after glycolysis? Answer: acetyl-CoA. The question is what is the main nitrogenous waste excreted by birds and reptiles? Answer: uric acid. The question is which process produces ATP without using oxygen? Answer: anaerobic respiration. The question is what is the role of the epiglottis during swallowing? Answer: prevent food entering the windpipe. The question is which hormone increases blood glucose by stimulating glycogen breakdown? Answer: glucagon. The question is what is the effect of bile on fat droplets? Answer: emulsify large droplets into smaller ones. The question is which part of the nephron concentrates urine by creating an osmotic gradient? Answer: loop of Henle. The question is what is the main function of pancreatic lipase? Answer: break down triglycerides into fatty acids and glycerol. The question is which gas is expelled from the body as a result of cellular respiration? Answer: carbon dioxide. The question is what is the primary role of mucus in the stomach? Answer: protect stomach lining from acid. The question is which condition results from prolonged low fur in the mouth? Answer: demineralization and cavities. The question is what is the function of the renal artery? Answer: supply oxygenated blood to the kidney. The question is which enzyme converts proteins into peptides in the stomach? Answer: pepsin. The question is what is the main role of the gallbladder? Answer: store and concentrate bile. The question is which process describes movement of digested nutrients from the intestine into the bloodstream? Answer: absorption. The question is what is the fate of excess glucose in animals? Answer: stored as glycogen. The question is which organ synthesizes urea from ammonia in mammals? Answer: liver. The question is what is the main function of the renal pelvis? Answer. Collect urine from kidney calyces and funnel to ureter. The question is, which process in the small intestine is enhanced by bile and pancreatic secretions? Answer. Chemical digestion of fats and other macromolecules. The question is, what is the role of trypsin in digestion? Answer. Digest proteins to peptides. The question is, which organ stores vitamins and detoxifies chemicals in the body? Answer. Liver. The question is, what is the main advantage of aerobic respiration over anaerobic respiration? Answer. Produces more ATP per glucose. The question is, which structure in the nephron collects final urine before it enters the ureter? Answer. Collecting duct. The question is, what is the role of intestinal lactase? Answer. Break down lactose into glucose and galactose. The question is, which condition is caused by deficiency of intrinsic factor or vitamin absorption? Answer. Pernicious anemia. The question is, what is the main function of the spleen related to blood? Answer. Filter and remove old red blood cells. The question is, which process produces ethanol and carbon dioxide in yeast? Answer. Anaerobic fermentation. The question is, what is the role of bicarbonate ions secreted by the pancreas? Answer. Neutralize acidic chyme entering duodenum. The question is, which organ secretes erythropoietin to regulate red blood cell production? Answer. Kidney. The question is, what is the main function of the succum in herbivores? Answer. Ferment cellulose with bacterial help. The question is, which substance is primarily responsible for the brown color of feces? Answer. Bile pigments such as stercobilin. The question is, what is the immediate energy molecule used by cells for metabolic work? Answer. ATP. The question is, which organelle is the primary site of aerobic respiration in eukaryotic cells? Answer. Mitochondrion. The question is, what is the main purpose of the Bowman's capsule in the nephron? Answer. Collect glomerular filtrate. The question is, which process helps plants remove excess water and some wastes through leaves? Answer. Transpiration. The question is, what is the role of peptidases in the small intestine? Answer. Break down peptides into amino acids. The question is, which ion is primarily reabsorbed in large amounts to maintain body fluid balance? Answer. Sodium. The question is, what is the effect of insulin on blood glucose levels? Answer: decrease blood glucose by promoting uptake into cells. The question is, which process describes the removal of metabolic carbon dioxide from the body? Answer: expiration through lungs.